talk about church. But you don't know to put that upon to me. Since you're just so with Father again. But I told us what I was as he did. She got to go to the one of our uncle. I know that it's a good one. She never got the right to be a company and a function. She never come in the front of one. No, I know. No, I didn't. She never know easy. I did not go over it. Thomas also read that he was reading and applying. I'm